Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Kee and this is
Roosevelt,
my husband, and we are going to do a seafood boil mukbang using the Smackalicious sauce. We're super Asian, so we don't have any clear bowls, but we have these
Oh yeah,
Asian bowls. And let's get started. Put on your gloves. Ooh, I can't.
I don't need gloves.
Okay.
Ooh.
I'm so excited. I love cucumber, so.
That's pretty good.
How's the egg? Isn't it kind of spicy?
The eggs are killer.
It tastes like when you go eat like at like a restaurant and like you get the sauce and it's like already mixed in the bag. This is pretty much what it tastes like. Right? Like when we go to boiling crawfish. So you have the egg, you're gonna eat the crab now?
Just eat.
Okay, so I always see her do this. So she like dips it into the sauce. She squeezes some like lemon on it. Oh gosh. Okay, okay.
Guys, check out that shit.
And let me just eat it. Oh. The lemon definitely adds like the perfect amount of like zest to it. You should try it, love.
What?
The mussel with the sauce, and then like you put a little bit of lemon on it.
Man, this sauce is hella rich.
Oh.
Like super rich. That's probably why you put the lemon on it.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Oh, just squeeze it in there.
Okay, that's not what it's meant for, but okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Got my handy dandy scissors.
What would you say is like your favorite type of seafood?
Crab, but I'm also allergic to it.
So like, why are you eating it?
It's too good.
Okay, out of all the crabs, like blue crabs,
Oh,
like
guys, look at that.
Dungeness crab. What's the other type of crab? Snow crab or king crab, which is your favorite? And why?
King crab because it's big.
I wonder like how hard it is. Can you open me one? Oh, I'll try to open myself one. I wonder how hard it is to like try to like go get these yourselves.
You can't.
I remember I used to like watch like Discovery Channel, and they would put like what's it called? What's that one TV series where they like go like crabbing and stuff, and it's like pretty hardcore.
I don't remember.
You remember what I'm talking about, though, right? Like
yeah, where they go crabbing.
Yeah, that like looked ridiculous.
Oh, we're doing the easy part, eating it.
I know. But like they literally were on that boat for like months, like 3 months.
Guys, check that shit out. Ooh! 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 Look at that!
Ooh, ooh. No, that's for you.
Here.
Stop.
Here,
I already got my own. I don't want yours.
Ow.
Yay, I got it myself.
Guys, too much crab.
You don't need no man. You could do this all by yourself.
Okay, more food for me.
So excited to eat this. Okay, let me squeeze some lemon onto it.
I'm almost full. That's a lot.
That is a lot. That's definitely a mouthful.
Yeah, we did one box from Costco, so That's a lot of crab.
Okay. We also got the 2 times spicy sauce. So like, I'm gonna try it. Do you want to try with me? I wonder if it's gonna make a difference if we add it to the sauce or like add it to whatever we're eating. You think it will?
I don't want any. I might have stomach problems.
This is shake up. Okay.
You guys hear that crunch? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh, I can smell it. Now I'm kind of scared. I put it away. It smells hot. Like, actually.
Try it.
I don't know. I'm scared now. You made it seem like it's scary, so I don't want to try it no more.
Try some.
Oh, and then we also have rice and some, what is it? Thai chili sauce. So what it is, it's fish sauce, lime, Thai chilies, and cilantro. And in Hmong, we call it kwazao. And we eat it like with every meal pretty much. Well, it's too late. I already ate that. You hella set me up.
That's the stomach.
What the heck?
You probably ate all the grass with it too.
Oh my god, you're so annoying. I thought you already took it out.
No. I just threw it in the bowl. What?
You're so annoying.
Surprise!
Oh, you got jokes, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm getting thirsty.
Yeah, this thing is super rich. Like, really rich.
So, babe, why don't you talk about your stocks? Like, what you
No.
do.
I'm
Yeah!
gonna stop talking here.
You always snap it.
I'm in business right now.
Yeah, he's in the business of stocks. And literally, as soon as the stock market opens, that's his ish.
A little bit. I also work on cars, so.
What's your girlfriend's name? Your other girlfriend or your other wife?
So my first love is my red beast. Is sleeping.
And
I have to give her a new heart because it's under maintenance.
what are you
So
doing
she's
to
been
it?
sleeping for like almost a year now.
Let the people know. What are you doing to it?
I'm trying to hit 1,000 horsepower in it. But it's really expensive.
Of course.
I'm practically over 10 grand and the car's still not running yet. And it's still going up.
How do you think that makes me feel?
Oh, you're okay with it?
Oh. Oh, he got jokes today, guys.
Oh, God. This is like...
Isn't it so good? It tastes like so refreshing.
Where you got this from?
Oh, so when I was at the Asian store, it's an Asian market, and yeah, when we were at, when I was waiting for you, I went to Asian market to grab some stuff, and then I saw these these cucumbers, and I was like, I wasn't sure if it was like the bitter ones, so I was like, okay, let me just try it anyway, and I think those are called like Persian cucumbers. It has such a nice crunch to it. I love it.
Yeah, it does.
Can you stop smacking so loud, eating like that?
Can't help it.
It's so good, guys. We wish you guys could taste it and eat with us. Oh gosh, I can't open this. Whatever. I give it. Like, who needs this anyway?
Oh, just throw that away.
You don't need the tip.
Just a
That's
tip.
what she said. Okay. Okay, apparently, if you eat it with rice and a cucumber, and you eat it with some like potato, it's called like the volcano. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna just like eat it like with rice, though. Okay. It's yummy.
Okay, guys, make sure you guys pull this out. See how that looks like a freaking deformed hand right there.
Ew, can you stop?
Pop it out. Bam.
I honestly don't think
I'm getting full.
Me too. Like, I feel like we can eat this like tomorrow or something.
Yeah.
I guess lunch for tomorrow. That's pretty good.
It's really filling. I think it's the crab. The crabs are deadly.
Dude, the crab is really filling. Like, I only had like about one piece and I'm already like kind of full.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm like in the same boat.
Ah! Why is it so prickly? Oh yeah, so something about Roosevelt and I. We live in Seattle, and Roosevelt loves the Seattle Seahawks. So that's why we're repping today. The Seahawks are playing against the Cardinals.
Yes, and they're blowing it out right now.
Yeah. Wilson is Roosevelt's #1 player. That's his dude.
Yes. Oh, I'm getting full. Not real fast.
Me too. I think maybe it's because we were so hungry earlier too.
I'm not eating full.
Well, I ate a little bit, but...
Just imagine getting hit by this. Oh my god.
Or imagine if you're swimming and, like, that leg comes at you. Like, what would you do?
Just imagine, like, you're swimming and it just comes in. No. Your private spot.
What the? What the? You're so annoying. You had to take it there. Oh gosh. You want to talk to them about our next video?
So what we're gonna do is every Wednesday is our date night. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna video everywhere we go to. So any restaurant that we go to, and we'll go try out most of the food, and then we'll give you guys our thought on it.
And like some days, I guess like some days we'll like do like homemade like mukbangs like this. Yeah. Or sometimes like we like to go hiking, so maybe sometimes we'll like bring you guys along with us like on a hike. Yeah, but it's like kind of, I don't know, the weather's kind of like bipolar, so you like never know. Like you can plan for a hike and I'll say it's sunny and then like it'll literally rain all day.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. It's growing plants.
Ew!
Ooh, look at that. So make sure you pop it off. Bam!
Why didn't you just clean it off
Bam.
before?
Look at this. I just heated up on it.
Oh my gosh. I thought you cleaned them. Because remember last time we made them? You cannot be full. You're so fake. You cannot be full. Stop.
I am.
We just started.
I'm full.
Even when we go eat at like the restaurant, Roosevelt eats way more than this.
I'm full.
And if you guys don't know this, I really love corn. Like, I just love corn. Roosevelt knows it too. We eat corn like, we barely eat corn, but like anytime I do get the opportunity, like at the fair or at like, if someone gives it to us, like I'll gladly take it because I love corn. It's so sweet. Like this one's actually really sweet.
This is actually pretty good.
Yeah. I'll have to get the other one so we can like steam them.
The chili oil is on it.
How do I chili oil?
Huh?
Oh, actually, it's kind of hot, huh? You can taste the chili oil. I'm kind of scared to dip in the sauce because it already has like so much sauce.
Guys, this sauce is like super thick.
I know.
Like really thick.
Maybe we should have put like more,
But it's good though.
yeah, it's really
But it's
good.
a really thick sauce.
And one packet makes a lot. Like, we have like 2 pretty big bowls right now, but like, we also have a big one upstairs. And we're just gonna freeze it or put it in the fridge until like our next mukbang. Or like for another occasion. But yeah, it's really good.
We're just gonna take it with us and then we'll go to a crawfish house and we're gonna eat it over there.
I literally don't understand you sometimes.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
This thing really don't want me to eat you, huh? Open up.
It's screaming help.
Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop.
Every time I eat like a crab leg, I always
Get in my belly.
I always think of like Mr. Krabs from
What?
SpongeBob.
Why? It is Mr. Crab.
I honestly feel like Mr. Krabs isn't this big though.
What? Mr. Crab's like a Dungeness crab.
Yeah, he is. I feel like he might be like a baby crab.
Oh.
Have you been drinking your water? You're almost done.
Okay, guys, this is so much crab.
It really is. It's so filling. Like,
I'm allergic to this.
okay, you're not really that allergic. I feel like it's the like little crabs.
Yeah, certain crab gives me like crazy fucking blisters. But whatever, it tastes good. Oh, I'm full.
You could not be full.
I'm full.
When we go eat, you literally eat way more.
My stomach's calling for help. I'm like seafood coma right now. Did not finish it. Tell you that. It was good, but ooh. Look at that, she's still eating.